a lot of the guys have been asking me, are other platforms outside of YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook gaming viable? I would say that I would add a new platform to all of your slates, and I'm going to do an entire piece of content about this later. But Dlive, which is essentially a Twitch clone, is starting to get some traction. And you guys should be seriously considering restreaming here. I'm going to add my own Awall digital restream here very soon. I'm going to be restreaming there as well to be on that platform. And Digital Drop Podcast is already there. And this is quickly becoming the #4 streaming platform that will potentially be growing in the future. And you don't need to go double down on it. You don't need to go all in. You don't need to worry about whether they did the categories right or anything like that on this platform. If you restream to this platform, you're just adding it to the mix and you're just getting extra viewership for free. And the reason why I'm highlighting this is to check this out. There are some games here that are getting decent viewership. Grand Theft Auto has 10K concurrents. They have a just chatting category that's got 9K concurrents. And some of the other categories here have hundreds of concurrents. It's not nothing, okay? It's not nothing. It's not huge yet, but it's not nothing. And what we see over time, when people get frustrated with Twitch, like we've seen over and over and over again historically, is they move to new streaming platforms to try stuff out. Do you guys have those member berries, and do you remember that platform? What was it called? What was that platform called? Oh yeah, it was called Mixer. Remember that? Yeah, everybody thought that Mixer was going to be the big platform that they were going to be able to jump off of Twitch and go over to Mixer. 4.5 million people went over to Mixer, and that was their new future, and they went exclusive on that, and they thought that that was going to be the next big thing that grows them. So they weren't wrong that Mixer had some growth to be acquired. They weren't wrong that Mixer was something that maybe had better categories, had better features, maybe solved some of the problems that they were frustrated about. But the mistake that they made is that they went exclusive to it. So now you guys can learn from me having seen this 10-year timeline in streaming, and you guys can benefit from this knowledge, and you can know that when new platforms like Mixer pop up, here we go, here's Dlive popping up right now, you guys don't go exclusive there, you restream there. And you can benefit from the growth that happens on these platforms. And then maybe Dlive, at some point, if you end up getting a decent audience there, hey, maybe Dlive offers you a cash deal. Hey, I'm cool if you guys take a cash deal to go full-time on one of these platforms. That's totally fine with me. Go full-time, go exclusive on one of these platforms if they offer you a cash deal and they offer you enough money to go full-time and it helps you make the dream happen. I'm all for that. I'm seriously. If that's the only time, though, that I think that any of you guys should go exclusive is you get offered a cash deal. And if you do get offered a cash deal, I will be the first one to applaud you. Because you went full-time as a gaming content creator. We'll all applaud you. You went full-time as a gaming content creator. You defied the odds. You defied the odds because 99% of creators don't make it. 99% of creators don't actually end up going full-time because they made the wrong strategic decisions, or they gave up, or they went exclusive somewhere and they got DMCA struck, they got banned, they went all in on a platform that didn't end up growing, they ended up getting burned out because they tried so hard, grinding every single day on Twitch, and it didn't work out for them, etc. Why do that? Why not diversify and play it much, much smarter? Just a second, gaming creators, I just wanted to let you know about our Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. This is the biggest giveaway I've ever done. It's $1,100 in gear for gaming creators, including this microphone, shock mount stand. If you like the sound you hear right now, you could sound this good in all of your live streams and videos using this Rode package that they hooked us up with. Let me just show it to you. There's a link in the description below if you want to enter this sweepstakes. It includes this audio gear you see here, plus the super high-end Rodecaster Pro mixer, plus our friends over at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, and our friends at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time. This is gear and software I use to grow my channels and to help my clients, and gear that I recommend all the time. And it's freaking free to enter to win this. Link in the description below. I wish you the best of luck. I hope you get this gear, and at the very least, enter to win. At least you have a shot to pick it up at a cost of $0. Why not enter? Link below. Good luck, gaming creators.